top of this place is at Baguio City. Bale, pinaka tuktok ng SM Baguio. And you are going, what you saw here are the lights of different houses of different mountains. Yan. So yung mga kanya, may mga bundok yan, mga bahay yan. See? Yun. Ito yung top ng SM. Just like SM Cebu City. May mga botanical garden din sila. Ganun. Okay. Yan yung down. University of Cordilleras. Okay, yan. Maraming isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, limang building. University of Cordilleras. Okay, so yung may water doon na may light, nakikita mo, yan yung dyan nagwa-water boating. Okay, yan yung Burham Park. See, that's the Burham Park. Okay, it's very nice, very nice. And then malamig.